The most important coding segment in Python is using and or operator without using relational expressions. That is, we are using and or operators only with the numerical values. Let us consider the following code. Res is equal to 10 or 20. Because of that, 10 is a true non-zero value. It is considered as a result of the entire expression. But in today's code, we are using AND operator also and 30. When AND and OR operators, both of them are coming, PVM gives the first preference for AND operator to evaluate. From these two values, 30 will be taken as a result because the second non-zero value will influence the total result. So this result is going to come 30. With the 30, the value 10 with OR operator with 30 will be compared. The OR operator will be considering left side value and right side value. The left side value will be non-zero. The non-zero value will become the total result of this expression. So the RES is going to contain 10. Let us print the RES. The result is going to contain the value 10. 10. This is what the result of AND OR operators without using relational expressions. For more videos, subscribe NareshIT channel.